For this fun experiment, you'll need a few materials: some paper or cardboard, scissors, tape, and marbles. First, start by cutting the cardboard into strips to create different track sections. Once you have your pieces, use tape to secure them vertically to a wall or a large piece of cardboard in an interesting shape. Make sure to create slopes and curves so the marbles can roll smoothly. Now, drop a marble at the starting point and watch it race down your track. As the marble rolls, observe how gravity pulls it down and how the angles affect its speed. This simple activity not only illustrates gravity but also helps explore concepts like friction and energy.